Hiya crafty folks, Amy here with Amy's Wares, and I'm going to make a super quick thank you card using some pre-made items. Now this is my storage solution for my panels that have not been turned into cards. I do all different techniques, and when I don't turn them all into cards, I put them into that box for future use. Here's the card. This is actually, it might be a little hard to tell, that was actually made with foil. I would have used that Blanco gel through a stencil. The stencil is from Colorful Life Designs. I'll show you that information in a moment, but I would have used the Blanco gel, let it dry, and put it through a laminator or like a mink to create that fun design. It's called boho flower stencil, and you can use my coupon AmyFan10 if you shop for anything at Colorful Life Designs. That includes the card bling, stamps if she still has them, stencils. The only thing it doesn't work for is the Master Creator bundles. So here I'm going to use another pre-made item. This is my sentiment binder. This is where I store a bunch of sentiments that are ready to go. I have card panels, I have card bases, I have panels that are already designed like you saw in the box, and sentiment strips, and I have loads of things already ready to go. So when I need to make a card quickly, I have a lot of the stuff on hand. Or if I'm not feeling particularly inspired but I need to create a batch of cards, this is a great way to save time. Now this is a Concord and 9th die. I will link everything that's available in the video description box below. If you expand and scroll down, you'll find those details. But I'm just liquid gluing the black layer onto the white, and then I will pop it up with a little bit of dimension. Now that panel was also die cut. It has like a nice little stitched edge die. You can see here the foil. I'm just showing it to you. Many different ways to foil. I don't do it often. I find it kind of frustrating. So this panel has actually been sitting in that box for years, but I thought it was pretty and I wanted to turn it into a card. So I'm just going to use that 1mm thick foam tape and put that down onto a card base. That's USA 2 size, 4 1/4 inch by 5.5. And I'll also use a little bit of it, I believe, to pop up that sentiment. Since this is thinner, it's not going to give it a ton of bulk because usually foam tape would have been 2mm thick anyway. So if I'm just doubling it up with the 1mm thick, it's only going to be that thick just over the sentiment, and the rest of it will be pretty low profile. So I find that a really nice way to get some dimension lately without having it get too bulky and have issues at the post office. Now here I'm using some black glossy card bling. You can also use my coupon on this. I felt like it matched and tied in a little bit more of the black. So I'm just going to put that down with some liquid glue and a smattering on the front of the card, and that's going to finish the design. So save yourself some time. Save those panels. Pre-batch some sentiments and card bases. Have all the stuff ready to go if you want to save some time and pull together a card quickly if you need to. So I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please do hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing. Like I said, I'll link all the products in the video description box below. If you follow my links, it's no additional cost to you, but it is the best way to support your favorite crafters if you enjoy their videos. So here I'm going to use my custom stamp on the back. This is from Jessica Lynn Originals, another small woman-owned business. I'll link her shop as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.